chance na makasama sa salvation.
Okay, brother.
Ako, ito, the dead, wait, dito sa, ano ba ito?
Sa eternity to eternity.
Eternity.
The dead, small and great, stand before God, and they will judge every man according to their works. Revelations 20:12, 13. So, we're really, sabi ko nga, ang naano sa akin, every man will be judged. Pero being saved through Jesus Christ, hindi tayo, we're not gonna, kasi meron dito, hence they bypass the great white throne judgment and go into eternity with eternal life, but with mortal bodies. So, meron talagang mababypass yung death. But we are all accountable pa in the end kung ano yung mga ginawa natin dito. We are saved. We are saved na. We are accountable to Jesus Christ, our judge.
Okay, thank you. Brother JB.
Medyo nasa ako
Pabasa ka lang isang line.
sa the return of Christ, realize long for the earth. According to Genesis 1:27, God created man in His own image. In the image created He him. Parang sinasabi niya na all people are created, hindi accident, pero may meaning yung pagkaka-forge dun sa bawat tao. Hindi yung accident lang or something. May design siya into His image.
Okay, thank you.